tastier, real or gummy ice cream, fresh vegetable salad, or a sweet salad dessert, crunchy or soft gummy wafers. Meet our favorite Miss Gonzalez and her gummy food masterpieces. The girls are waiting for a dish to be served. Miss Gonzalez is chewing on something while bringing cake pops. The blue-eyed girl is annoyed. Why have I got a smaller portion? It's unfair. Daisy is the first one to taste her dish. Gummy cake pops are not as tasty as I expected. Soak gelatin in cold water. Let it swell. Add chocolate topping to warm milk. Put in the swelled gelatin. Mix it nicely, letting the gelatin dissolve. Fill a syringe with the mixture and eject it into a cake pop mold. Insert cake pop sticks. Let the jelly cool. Melt some gelatin and dip in the hardened cake pops. Decorate them with sprinkles. The blue-eyed girl smells her cake pops suspiciously. But her fears are groundless. She's got real cake pops. Daisy looks at her friend's dessert enviously. Her cake pops are not only tasteless, but slippery. Real friends don't let friends suffer, so the blue-eyed girl gives her tasty cake pop to her friend. Miss Gonzalez keeps on conjuring. What kind of a surprise is she going to make? Wafers! And the friends are trying to anticipate what they will get. The plate covers are being opened. What is it? Wafers? This time the blue-eyed girl is the one to get an extreme dessert, trembling gummy wafers instead of crunchy chocolate ones. Pour condensed milk into swelled up gelatin. Mix it. You can heat up the mixture if the gelatin doesn't dissolve the way it should. Add Nesquik to the liquid jelly. Pour the cocoa jelly mixture into a wafer mold and let it cool. Daisy likes her crunchy chocolate yummies and doesn't even want to taste my gummy dessert. I will snatch at least one real wafer from my friend. Nope, this gummy dish is impossible to eat. Miss Gonzalez forces her way to the table, serving her next masterpiece, vegetable salad. Healthy diet. Daisy enjoys eating her gummy veggies. Make sweet milk jelly. Add orange food coloring powder. Make sure that the color is rich and of an orange carrot shade. Pour it into a brick silicone mold and let it harden. Cut colorful licorice candies. Chop a yellow candy. This will be corn. And cut a green one into longer pieces. These are green beans. Put the sweet corn and some of the green beans into a bowl and make peas out of the remaining green candies. Cut the top colored layer and take it off. Press it with fingers and roll it between your palm, shaping a pea. Add green peas into the sweet salad. Cut the hardened carrot bricks in half and cut each half into 4 parts lengthwise. Put the gummy carrot into the sweet salad. Mix it carefully. The blue-eyed girl tastes her veggies. It's a vegan's dream. No salt, no oil. This salad is way too healthy. On the other hand, Daisy's gummy salad is a huge success. She finishes her dish in no time. The friends start playing with drinking straws while waiting for the next culinary experiment. And Miss Gonzalez has gotten carried away while tasting berry lemonade. Soak clear gelatin in water and let it swell up. Pour liquid berry jelly into a clear cup. When thickened, put in a few mint leaves and some red and black currant. Put the swelled up clear gelatin on top and add some more berries and mint. Cover it with a cap and add a straw. The cups look completely identical, except that Daisy enjoys drinking her icy cocktail and the blue-eyed girl can't take a single sip, no matter how hard she tries. A hint? Take a spoon. Of course, it's not a cooling cocktail, but it's quite good too. What is Miss Gonzalez conjuring? Ice cream! The blue-eyed girl gets something suspicious again. She'll certainly fail to cool down today, because her ice cream is made of jelly. Soak a clear leaf of gelatin in water. Put it into milk. Add sugar and pink food coloring. Fill a ball mold with the jelly using a syringe. Let it harden. Take the balls out with a spoon and put them into an ice cream bowl. Melt some berry jelly and pour it onto the balls as topping. Add a few raspberry embellishments on top. The friends enjoy their tasty desserts. They taste ice cream from each other's bowls. But Daisy moves her dessert away from the blue-eyed girl so that she doesn't take too much of it. Miss Gonzalez works hard with a whisk and takes a silicone spatula. What is she about? Yummy pancakes! Here you are, girls. Check them out. Make milk jelly adding dry food coloring. Make sure you get an orange-brown shade to look like real pancakes. Take molds of the appropriate size and pour the jelly on the bottom. Let it harden. Coat the gummy pancake with brown food coloring gel. Decorate the pancakes with currant and add some honey. Miss Gonzalez must have decided to make the blue-eyed girl the chef taster of all her weird dishes. You can't tell the difference between her gummy pancakes and the real ones. And they taste like jelly! Daisy must have gotten a blunt knife. She can't manage to cut her pancake. This is why she just takes it with her hand and puts it in her mouth. But it is not allowed to eat without cutlery at Miss Gonzalez's cafe. This is why the girls swap the dishes. Now Daisy can cut her soft gummy pancake easily. But taking it with a fork is a real challenge. And it doesn't taste that good. Miss Gonzalez has been working way too hard. She almost passes by her clients, but the dishes are on the table. And what is there under the plate covers? Raspberry! Mix swelled up gelatin with warm raspberry syrup. Add crimson food coloring powder. Pour the jelly into a berry mold. Put it into a fridge. Put the mold with the hardened jelly into hot water for a few seconds. Take out the berries. Join the berry halves. They are easily attached. Make the leaves with green edible glitter. Apply it with a brush. No way! It can't be true! I've got gummies again! That's it! I'm done! The blue-eyed girl swaps the berries, while Daisy stoops down to take a fallen cover. Daisy detects the replacement, but decides to taste the gummy berries. They turn out to be sweet and delicious. The blue-eyed girl is wrong again. Her real raspberry is a bit sour and not that yummy. There is only one thing left to do, to sneak the gummy berries right under her friend's nose. Our chef has made her signature dish. Attention! Pizza! Make sweet milk jelly. Add food coloring powders to get the same color as the one a baked pizza crust is. Use brown and yellow colors. Pour the liquid jelly onto a flat plate with borders. Let it harden. Add brown food coloring to the remaining part of the jelly. It will be mushrooms. Pour it onto a flat plate. Let it cool. Make mushrooms with a cookie cutter out of the thickened brown jelly. Put in red food coloring to the soaked-in water gelatin. Add some milk to make the jelly unclear. It will be tomatoes. Spread the red jelly over in a thin layer. Let it thicken. Make tomato circles from the red jelly layer using an appropriate cup. Cut out tomato segments. Pour in clear jelly. Squeeze green food coloring gel using a syringe to imitate seeds. Put green and yellow food coloring in the melted-in milk gelatin. Pour the green jelly into a bell pepper mold layer by layer. Be sure each layer gets thickened separately. Cut the pepper into thin slices. Put the hardened tomato slices onto the gummy crust. Add mushrooms and pepper slices. Cut a black licorice stick candy and put it on top as olives. The blue-eyed girl is finally lucky. She's gotten a real pizza. At first, Daisy dares to taste a gummy tomato slice and a licorice olive. Then she cuts off a piece of her gummy pizza and tries the trembling slice. Oh no! A sweet gummy pizza is beyond crazy. I love jelly, but not that much. It's great that the blue-eyed girl shares the real pizza with her friend. Did you like the gummy food versus real food challenge? Then write in your comments which of the gummy food you would like to make and which of it you wouldn't dare to taste. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new awesome videos on the Troom channel.